oftentimes you can monetize your marketing. Your marketing will pay for itself beyond just in sales. Let's say that you create a television ad and you pay $10,000 to $50,000 to create that commercial, and then you have to buy all the spots, and every time it plays, you might get some customers, you might get some sales. That's great. And then you stop paying for that ad to run and you stop making money and you stop making sales. That's not how it works with, social platforms. YouTube, for example, you create that video for far less than $10,000 to $50,000 for that one video. You put it on YouTube, it's out there, it's working for you, it's creating sales, you're bringing in customers. But then something else happens. You see that your subscribers start to grow, your watch time goes up, and boom, you hit 1,000 subscribers, you reach 4,000 hours of watch time with all your amazing videos that are out there, and YouTube decides to partner with you. So now, instead of paying the television company money every time you want them to run your ad, YouTube is paying you every time somebody watches your video. They make money, you get sales, it's a win-win-win.